Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
When it come to you, pistol like birds, issue with trust. Won't let no one get a piece of your love. Yeah, base it on loyalty, base it on us.
Hey y'all, so I just want to get straight into it. Today I'm installing a wig from Yolissa Hair. They sent me over this blonde wig. I want to start by saying that I did not tone this wig. I didn't do anything to this wig. I didn't even pluck it because I seen it was pre-plucked. I wore it for a week straight like this, super yellow, because I went to go see the Barbie movie this exact day. So I wanted to look more like Barbie, and she, you know, she has that yellow tone to her hair. Later on I did tone it, and it did get like a silver kind of color, which I love. It's like an ashy blonde silver. So I am gonna reinstall it and dye it a color, I think. But just for this video, I wanted to show you how it looked regular.
It's the ocean, I'm just imposing that you give it to me and just me only. Yeah, girl, you chosen. Fuck it up when you bust wide open. It's the ocean, I'm just imposing that you give it to me.
Make sure that you buy their 13x6 lace, because when I tell you, I could part this wig any type of way. Love this wig. I'm actually gonna reinstall it here soon, and I'm gonna show y'all the dyeing process of me dyeing it a color. I want to do something cool, so make sure in the comments you leave what you want to see, like what kind of colors you want to see.
She love me like Lucy. I'm a dog like Snoopy. Getting head in the sheets when you sweating out your weed. Rich nigga, I ain't cheap when I like what I see.
Girl, you chosen. Fuck it up when you bust wide open. It's the ocean, I'm just imposing that you give it to me and just me only. Yeah, girl, you chosen. Fuck it up when you bust wide open. It's the ocean, I'm just imposing that you give it to me and just me only.
Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me, bro. Take me out the club, bro. Take me out the trap, take me out the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that. I didn't come this far just to come this far. Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why Tryna hit the A, don't hit me up in WID me, baby. Send a boy a PIC to see me, baby. Okay, now we talking. Okay, now we talking. Okay, now we talking. Yeah. When we talk, you gotta listen. I don't wanna go missing. I wanna be consistent. Not a position. I put you in, I'ma put you in that fucked up position. I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be. But deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me out the market, take me out the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me out the market, take me out the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a rap.
And we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? Yeah. What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a stay now. Like I'm ready to blend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wear lead, now I'ma put it to bed. Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I use the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know